Setting up a 100 amp hour lithium battery and putting it into a King's portable battery box sounds pretty simple and straightforward, but there's a few certain things you want to get right in order to avoid running into problems later down the track. I'm talking about loose terminal connections, rattling cells from it not being tied down securely enough, and having your battery box cut off in the middle of the night at a campsite. So you want to get these things sorted properly on the bench first before you take it off grid. Look, you don't want to be blowing $800 on a pre-built battery box when you can build the exact same setup for yourself for half the price. So today we're going to take a standard King's box shell and we're going to be dropping a 100 amp hour lithium battery inside, step by step. So you get max off-grid power without frying your gear. Now everyone asks why you'd bother with a lithium over a standard AGM. It's simple. Old school AGM batteries, they weigh a ton and they choke after 50% capacity. Lithium gives you almost 100% usable power at less than half the weight. So first things first, you always want to check the label. Right here we've got 12.8 volts nominal and 1280 watt hours, 1280. So make sure whatever DC-DC charger you run matches the recommended charging voltage printed right here, or you'll cap your battery at 80% and waste the extra capacity you paid for. Have a look at these brass M8 terminal posts. You want to keep these threads bone dry and clean because lithium dumps serious current, so any dirt or grease here causes instant resistance and heat. So you're looking at around 10 kilograms. You can lift this whole thing with one hand. So try doing that with a 30 kilogram AGM without blowing your back out. Now let's unwrap the box shell. So you want to drop the battery straight down inside the battery box. See that gap on my left side? You want to slide your plastic divider board in tight so the battery isn't slamming around when you're driving down a heavy dirt road. So if you want the full wiring schematics for this build, you want to grab our free PDF over at outlandsystems.com.au. Underneath the lid, you've got your main internal leads. So it's pretty straightforward here. You got red to positive and black to negative. So you want to put these bolts down firm using the right bit. But you don't want to strip the brass because a loose terminal is game over because it creates heat and it can melt plastic housings. Make sure this internal plastic safety shield is clicked in so nothing shorts out underneath the lid. But don't be scared to get in here, that's your workspace. You can unscrew the M8 bolts to hook up your battery, slide the bracket to fit smaller cells, or even mount a small solar controller in the cavity. Just don't strip the plastic threads. You're going to drop the top down, flick the main power toggle, and hit the red readout button. So you've got 13.3 volts right on the screen. That means our lithium cell is healthy and making proper contact. Now you want to thread your webbing strap through the handles and pull it tight so the lid stays locked down. Around the casing, you've got side studs for small inverters, top Anderson plugs for charging, and you've got a black 10 amp breaker button. So if an accessory trips it, you just want to pop the button back in instead of hunting for spare fuses in the dark. Around the back, you've got your weather sealed 12 volt socket and dual USB ports, 1 amp, and a fast 2.1 amp output. So you want to plug your cable in, and you've got instant 5 volt power active on the bench. So there you have it, a fully working budget battery box that you can throw on the back of the ute. You can run your fridges, lights and phones, and it won't burn a hole in your pocket. So once you've tied down that strap properly, you've got your own portable 12 volt power system ready to throw in the back of your van for the weekend. If you're planning out your off-grid 12 volt setup and you want clear schematics on DC to DC charging or solar and more, visit outlandsystems.com.au. Or you can click this video here to find out how to hook up your DC to DC charger to your vehicle's starter battery.